To accommodate rising economic challenges, industrial automation is rapidly increasing application of robots in the production systems. According to International Federation of Robotics, global density of robots per 10,000 workers in industrial production systems increased from 66 in 2015 to 117 in 2019. We're witnessing a major change in the industrial production landscape. The rapid growth of smart IoT solutions and data-driven processes are creating new emerging markets and new insights in existing industrial systems. This is creating a smarter and more sustainable industrial ecosystems. The ability to introduce new components into a system and expand its capacity is an essential feature for smart industrial facilities. We need to ensure that we can perform such action without violating existing safety and security constraints. In this use case, two cooperating production systems with autonomous mobile robots are coordinated by a central control unit that distributes the tasks and monitors the execution of the tasks in near real time. We implemented this use case in a mixed reality environment, where one robot is physical while the others are its digital twins. The robots are able to interact as if they are all in the same physical environment. This technology allows us to simulate emerging behaviors in industrial autonomous mobile robots and validate system properties under these new conditions. To demonstrate this, we prepared three scenarios: a follow-the-gap scenario, an intersection scenario, and a station positioning scenario. In the first scenario, we observed how a real robot is precisely followed by a simulated robot while carefully avoiding collisions. In the second scenario, we observe how two robots are behaving in an intersection scenario. And in the final scenario, we can observe how a real robot is cooperating with the simulated robot on a station task scheduling scenario.